Have you ever felt like your partner doesn't love you the way they used to? Or like you suddenly can't stay in love the same way? Constant arguments, forgotten promises, always running late, or just losing interest out of nowhere. These aren't just normal couple problems. Very often, undiagnosed ADHD is quietly destroying the relationship. Hey everyone, welcome to Kee Psychology. If your relationship always feels like something is missing, or your partner says things like, "You never listen," "You always forget," "You're not the same anymore," and you're trying so hard, but nothing seems to fix it, you're not alone. Millions of adults, especially in their 20s and 30s, have lived with ADHD for years without knowing it. And the worst part? It hits romantic relationships the hardest. Endless fights, feeling ignored, emotional walls, or even breakups that could have been prevented. ADHD brains produce less dopamine, so routine things, planning dates, fully listening, keeping the spark alive, feel draining instead of rewarding. One person ends up feeling unloved, while the other is just fighting an invisible brain wiring issue. The good news? This is fixable, and today I'm sharing 11 clear signs that ADHD might be damaging your relationship, plus real, practical fixes that people with ADHD and their partners actually use and see results from. If you recognize even 3 or 4 of these signs in your relationship, stay until the end. This could change everything for you. Let's get started. Number 1, forgetting promises and important dates over and over. Sign: birthdays, anniversaries, doctor appointments, small promises. They keep slipping. Fix: build a shared reminder system, like Todoist or Google Calendar with mutual notifications. Do a quick 2-minute tomorrow preview every night together. Number 2, severe time blindness, always late or losing track of time. Sign: you think something takes 10 minutes, it takes an hour. You're chronically late even when you try hard. Fix: triple your time estimates. Add a 30-minute buffer for everything. Tell your partner, "If I'm 15 minutes late, know I'm trying." Number 3, jumping topics mid-conversation or interrupting. Sign: you cut your partner off because a new thought hits you and you're afraid you'll forget it. Fix: practice active listening. Phone down, eye contact, wait 10 full seconds after they finish before replying. Number 4, sudden boredom or emotional flatness in the relationship. Sign: the beginning was exciting, now you feel done or uninterested, even though you still love them. Fix: create new excitement together. Try one new activity every month: cooking class, short trip, board game night. ADHD brains crave novelty. Number 5, impulsive outbursts during arguments. Sign: you explode suddenly, say hurtful things, then feel terrible afterward. Fix: use the 10-minute timeout rule. When things heat up, say, "I need 10 minutes to calm down," and step away. It gives your brain time to reset. Number 6, struggles with shared planning, budget, trips, chores. Sign: one person always plans, the other forgets or changes everything last minute. Fix: use a visual shared system, whiteboard, Trello app, or weekly checklist you both update together. Number 7, feeling "I'm not enough" or "you don't love me anymore." Sign: your partner says, "Why aren't you like before?" and you feel constant guilt. Fix. Radical honesty. Have a calm talk. This behavior is from ADHD, not lack of love. Understanding kills resentment. Number 8. Hyperfocus on work or hobbies and neglecting the relationship. Sign. You disappear into projects or games for hours and your partner feels invisible. Fix. Schedule distraction-free time. 30 minutes daily with no phone, just the two of you. Number 9. Extreme sensitivity to criticism or rejection, also called RSD. Sign. Even small feedback makes you feel crushed or defensive. Fix. Practice the pause and reframe. Take a deep breath and ask, is this really rejection or just their opinion? Number 10. Difficulty showing consistent affection. Sign. Early relationship had lots of love and attention. Now it's faded. Fix. Learn each other's love languages and do one small loving act daily, even if the feeling isn't there yet. Action builds connection. Number 11. Cycle of intense love to sudden detachment to breakup. Sign. Your relationships often follow this pattern. Fireworks to boredom to end. Fix. Commit to growth together. Try couples therapy with an ADHD-aware therapist or read The ADHD Effect on Marriage side by side. ADHD doesn't have to destroy your relationship. It just needs the right tools and understanding. If these signs feel familiar, the problem isn't love, it's brain wiring. First step, talk openly with your partner, and if needed, get professional help. Which sign hit closest to home for you? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this video gave you clarity or hope, smash that like button. Share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss the next one. Your relationship is worth fighting for. Take care. See you in the next video.